and then don't move, okay? Okay, let me have you look over a little bit. Okay, right there and then don't move, okay?
Look for Grandma so we can take a picture.
Don't move, baby. Hi, welcome to class.
What a brave girl.
Whew. It only hurts for a little.
Okay.
Don't rub it, don't rub it, don't rub it. Don't rub
It's okay,
it.
don't rub it.
It's okay.
Let's see. One more.
Breathe in, breathe in. Don't move. Don't move, okay? Maybe get it. Got it? Go buy you some books.
Woohoo! Look, you didn't cry.
Oh my gosh, you're
Okay.
brave.
Bertha.
She's a brave girl. See your little friend right here. That's your brave girl.
Did it hurt?
In the back, make sure
You're a brave girl.